In front of me is OnePlus Nord 4 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers on this device. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to find Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. Click on Add Emergency Contact and click on the one that you wish to set up. You can do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Make sure that this switcher next to Show Info when locked is blue. And now to remove any shortcut, click on Remove button right next to it. Then you can tap on Add Emergency Contact to add another one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!